look at the political turmoil in India today, the issue of Dalits is on the front page of the country's politics every day. The reason for this is the rivalry between the Congress party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Congress party constantly talk about the issue of Dalits, and Bharatiya Janata Party is also seen giving clarification in this matter. Anyway, two political parties are busy in moving their political views forward on the issue of Dalits in the country. But there was a time when both the parties were silent. The Baba Saheb Ambedkar alone had taken steps towards bringing this big change. He thought that a revolution should be created in the country, a revolution where all things should be such that Dalits do not become an issue today, the way it is becoming. He wanted the lives of Dalits to become like that of a normal Indian citizen. But this could not happen completely. Anyway, that period was full of turmoil and Ambedkar's life was never peaceful. The reason was that he came from the Dalit community and there was a fire burning in his heart. They extinguished this fire. He never spent a peaceful moment in his life, never thought about his life peacefully, never thought about the joy of his life, and devoted his entire life to study and contemplation in such a way as a burning wicks is for all the oil in a lamp. Today, the whole of India can sleep peacefully on the strength of the constitution made by Ambedkar. Ambedkar has written many books. He used to write mainly on topics related to economics, psychology, politics and philosophy. Who were the Sudras? This is a book which Ambedkar has written. Before this, he had written many articles on Chauch, on Pakistan or partition of India, independence versus union, annihilation of caste, Ranade, problems of rupees, development of provincial money in British India, caste in Ambedkar India. 1946 was a period of great turmoil for Ambedkar, who had by then emerged on the Indian political and intellectual scene and made a name for himself. His social and political activism include the struggle for civil rights, temple in tribe, abolition of untouchability and starting a newspaper. Who Were the Sudras is one of the seminal books written by Ambedkar in 1946. He used a study of ancient society and ancient text as his main sources. Ambedkar wanted to establish a non-Brahminical society in the historical framework. The non-Brahminical interpretation of Indian history started after Mahatma Phule. Two of his books are very important. Indeed, Phule gives information about various religious circumstances responsible for the exploitation of Indian society. Gulamgiri is based on the reading of Puranic tradition. Set Karyacha Asud shows the plight of peasants and how religion forces them to follow irrational practice. Swami Dharmatirth was another important writer who influenced Ambedkar. Swami Dharmatirth did not romanticize the past but show Indian history as a religious conflict. Ambedkar accepted his argument and commented on the back cover of the book that this book was a different kind and Judge Swami was working on these problems.